Are you a calm person?
Yes, I consider myself generally a calm person. I try not to overreact and to think before speak, especially in the stressful situations.
Okay. What do you do to stay calm?
Well, I take a breather and I prefer doing various activities to stay calm. Sometime I like to go for a short walk, or sometime I prefer doing meditation in order to stay calm.
Okay. Do you think staying calm is important?
Why not? This is really significant because it helps people to take a clear and good decisions in their life. And I personally feel so when people are staying calm, then they can strengthen or make their better relationships with others. So, guys, if you want to improve your answers like this for spoken English and for IELTS, then you can join our classes. The number is displayed below. You can contact us or WhatsApp us.
Do you like doing activities in a group?
Yes, of course. I really adore doing activities in the group. It really helps me to work with a team and improves my communication.
Okay. And what kind of group activities do you usually do?
Well, I mainly do group discussions whenever it is required. And moreover, being a part of rich Indian community or rich Indian society, I have to perform various religious and cultural ceremonies with people. At that time, I sit with a group of people.
Okay. Do you prefer individual work or group work?
It depends upon the task. If the task requires a lot of brainstorming and understanding and different perspectives, then I prefer doing it in a group. On the other hand, whenever I involve in a task which requires mindfulness and huge concentration, at that time I prefer doing it alone. So guys, if you really want to improve your answers like this for IELTS or spoken English, then you can join our online classes. The number is displayed below. You can contact us or WhatsApp us.